Hi, I'm James Matthews-Paul from Output Magazine, and I'm here to talk print with Phil Oakley, who is the country manager for UK and Ireland for the DesignJet range of machines from HP. We're at the launch of HP PrintStation at John E. Wright. And Phil, I just wanted to carry over a question from FESPA Digital 2011, which happened in the last couple of weeks. You know, we've been talking about needing to educate more consumers about what wide format machines can do. And do you feel that PrintStation is starting to address that need for education?
I really hope PrintStation in the UK will address this situation. I think the maturity of the market in the UK is probably as mature as anywhere in the world for the sign and display market, the print service provider market, the sign maker market, but they're very specialised niche markets that they play in their own expertise. You know, consumers and small businesses who will maybe go and outsource and get a pop-up banner or a poster or a canvas print, may not necessarily walk on the high street into a copy shop and expect they can get those services. So I think the wide format applications will become much more accessible through a HP PrintStation. You know, is that going to be the core services of a HP PrintStation? Not necessarily all across the UK, but depending on the partner that we choose, I really do believe that coming into this HP PrintStation, as you can see, there's a significant choice of wide format devices. So I do believe that the consumer market, the small to medium business market, will become much more aware of wide format applications.
Absolutely. And you were talking in your presentation earlier about leveraging the way that we consume and deliver information, you know, with smartphones and tablets and, you know, this sort of on the move idea. Now, ePrint and Share, which falls into your portfolio as well, doesn't it? That launched in the architectural and CAD market last year, and this is a system whereby you can use a tablet or another device to send files and have them printed remotely. Now, do you think that HP PrintStation is the evolution of that technology into the graphics market?
It's interesting. I think ePrint and Share is still very, very new, and I think you look at the value proposition of ePrint and Share for the architectural market, the engineering, the kind of AEC markets that we know so well from the DesignJet world. Why is it such a benefit to them? It's because architecture, engineering is such a collaborative process. So being able to share files, distribute files, having somewhere that is very easy to collaborate and manage files across the world very quickly as a free service, as a very reliable service, is so important. The same could be said then of the graphics market, the design market, and the print service provider and designers. It's still a very collaborative process. Designing something that's going to be a billboard or wherever that may be, a piece of signage, it's still a collaborative process. So I think, yeah, absolutely, I'd love to see the same technologies on the technical units that we provide on the graphics units, and I think that it's only an evolution. I'm sure it'll happen in that market.
And all of this has come around so quickly. Who knows where we're going to be in another year's time?
Yeah, absolutely. It never ceases to amaze me in a market that probably, we created the first DesignJet 38 years ago on a DesignJet that was then known as a plotter. That didn't have, that literally plotted through a programmable calculator, and now we're talking about devices where don't need a PC. It can be a standalone device where you can input and output content and share content over the web without the use of a PC. So it's pretty frightening in 38 years we've got to that stage. As you say, what's going to happen in the next 12 months?
Frightening or exciting depending on which way you look at it.
Definitely, yeah, definitely. You've got to get the right message to the market, so that's the frightening part for me.
Absolutely. Well, it's a complex message, but it's a very exciting and engaging product, and it brings wide format and sign and graphics applications to a consumer market, and I think that's great. Phil, thank you very much for talking print with Output.
You're welcome. Thank you.